In a special crackdown early Monday morning, Bengaluru Traffic Police conducted a surprise drive targeting school vehicle drivers under the influence of alcohol. Between 7 am and 10 am, officers checked 4,559 school vehicle drivers across the city. What they found was alarming. 58 drivers tested positive for alcohol consumption while ferrying children. These drivers have now been prosecuted under the Indian Motor Vehicles Act, and their driving licenses have been forwarded to respective RTOs for suspension. Authorities say this was a citywide preventive initiative to ensure student safety. This incident has raised serious concerns among parents and schools as it exposes dangerous negligence in student transportation. Bengaluru Traffic Police have assured that such random surprise drives will continue to safeguard children and keep routes safer. Parents are being urged to remain vigilant and report any suspicious driver behavior to the authorities.